Well, hello my dear creative, and welcome to this nice little vlog which will be all about watercolor plein air in Auckland, New Zealand. So if you're excited to see beautiful pier garden materials that I use, watch till the very end. Alright, so this is how get ready to plein air with me looks like. So I've prepared some watercolor paper, brushes or water to take with me, and let's go onto the location. Just to look at this peaceful pier garden, it is such an inspiration, so I plan to spend here a couple of hours. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to prepare my easel for plein air. It is adjustable, as you can see, and believe it or not, I've been using it for more than 10 years, even since my study at the Art Academy back in St. Petersburg, Russia. I really love this portable art easel. It has the storage sketch box with wooden palette and shoulder strap. Very often it is referred as French style plein air easel. I really love it. I purchased this one in art supply shop back in St. Petersburg, and actually it's so easy to find it on Amazon, for example. Check the description box below. I found for you some good easels. Okay, for today's plein air I'm going to use two kinds of watercolor paper. This one from Jumbo. It's slightly more textured, and I love to use the same palette as the paper that I'm going to paint on, since I can actually see how colors will mix and how they will look. The other kind of paper will be from Watercolour. So just look at these beautiful surroundings. They are so inspiring, and for us as artists, as creatives, it's so incredibly important to get rid of all the daily distractions of all the social media and just to enjoy some time in nature. Here are such a lovely New Zealand birds and this amazing pier garden. It is such an inspiration, and I just realized how it is important for me to take a break from the outside world. Probably you've even noticed that sometimes I take some Instagram detoxes, so I'm not on Instagram for a couple of days. That normally means that I'm either go into full creative mode or I go onto plein air to clean up my mind, to enjoy nature. I really hope that this video will inspire you to also dedicate a couple of hours a week for plein air drawing, or maybe just a couple of minutes, even 5 or 10 minutes a day for a quick little sketch. It doesn't necessarily need to be a couple of hours on plein air. I know we all so busy, but please do find some time regularly to practice your drawing skills. Alright, so these are watercolors from this plein air today. I did 4 of them, as you can see. 2 I did on A4 Watercolor paper. It was like a quick studies, and 2 on Jumbo paper. Please do check the description box below this vlog. I will attach a couple of links to the paper that I'm using, to this easel, so check it out. On the way back home, I get into the mood of plein air drawing so much that I decided to create another watercolor painting of this beautiful amazing tree. Let me know in the comments if you know what's the name of it, because in New Zealand there are so many amazing trees that I don't even know how to call them. So these are a couple of watercolors from today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my website schoolofsketching.com for more inspiration.